another chance. Baby, give me another chance. Girl, another try, just one blind. One more night, give me just one more night. Girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, baby, give me one more night, girl. A million more nights, 'cause I can't. On a warm summer's evening, on the train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring out the window at the darkness till boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son of
I'm here in Malawi for the first time. The food is good, the energy is right, the welcome. You know what I mean? The people, they are the one who really boosts this energy and really feed me so I could really give the music and perform and deliver the music to the people. People are really the ones, you know, with the energy that they give it to me so I could then deliver the music back to them.
On the train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring out the window at the darkness till boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, son, I've made a life out of reading people's faces and knowing what their cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind my saying, I can see your outer faces. For a taste of your whiskey, I give you some advice. So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. And then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light.